I'm honoured and pleased to introduce our Member of Parliament, Sir Bill Cash.
Thank you very much indeed. Now, it's absolutely wonderful to come here yet again and to see the enterprise that you, every single one of you, are responsible for delivering. It is a remarkable achievement. This massive investment is only possible because it's done by the people who are organising the ideas that lie behind it, which is called enterprise and delivery. And you are the guys who are, and ladies, in fact there are plenty here, I'm glad to see, who are delivering that enterprise for the company and thereby for Great Britain. So congratulations, I'm absolutely delighted to be here. I think it's most impressive. I've watched this company as it's developed and now it's accelerating. So well done all of you. I'm not going to make a huge great big speech, particularly about Brexit, but I am going to tell you that what you're doing is the future. That is the point. By everything you do every day, you are investing your skills, your commitment into Great Britain, and that's what I believe in, and I hope you do too. Thank you very much indeed.